Welcome to Healthcare Analytics. In this video we will look at proc report option as is, as is. We will see the role of this particular option in proc report. This video is meant for those who have some basic understanding of proc report, such as this: what is the purpose of proc report, and what is a defined statement, column statement, etc. So here we will see, and if we have already discussed all these options, rules, cell padding, cell spacing, frame, etc., width, all these options have been discussed in other videos. So if you haven't seen it, please do watch it. Here we have a data set called as is example. I have created a data set as is example. So let me just show you the data set. So this is the data set that I want to generate as a report. This particular data set I need to output as a RTF output. Here we can notice that age is the main category. For age we have n is the number of subjects, 10 subjects. On average their age is 20. Average age of this 10 subjects is 20, and median is 19, median age, and standard deviation of the age is 2.5. So these are the values we have. Notice that there is a space, a white space, and or you can call it indentation. This is an indentation, that is age is the main category and n mean standard deviation median. All these are within that age categories or subcategories actually, or you can call it. So basically we are trying to put an indentation for all these statistics, n mean, standard deviation, everything. We are giving an indentation, and if this particular indentation has to be shown in the output as it is, then we have to use the as is option. So let me show you. Just notice this data set, and I will output this data set, and we can see how it looks. So you can see I am writing proc report data equal to as is underscore ex. It's the same data set we have seen here. Now this particular data set is being reported here in the proc report, and let me run it. I am not using as it is option now. As is option I am not using, and without that I am just running the report. Now you can see that I generated the report with all the n, mean, standard deviation, median, etc. Everything looks fine except that we don't have the indentation that we have in the data set. So we have an indentation in the data set, but that doesn't show up or doesn't appear in the output. In this scenario, you have to give the as is option, ASIS equal to on. So you have to on the as is option, and when it is on, and let me change the name of the output so that doesn't override the previous one, and we can compare. So you can see currently the old output without the as is option. So this is without as is option, and this next one on the right side, what you see is with the as is option. So here you see the indentation. After age is the main category. For age we are showing all the statistics, n, mean, standard deviation, etc. You can see an indentation for all the stats, n, mean, standard deviation, everything. We have an indentation as it is in the data, because we have it in the data and we want it to be formatted as it is in the data in the output also. But when we don't use the as is option, we don't get it as it is in the data, we don't get the indentation. But when we use the as is option, on the right side you can see we are getting as it is in the data. So that's the role of as is option in proc report. You get as it is in the data. I hope this help you understand the purpose of as is option in proc report. If you have any questions or doubts, just drop it in the comment, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.